Hi children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are eating a very healthy food to boost your immunity. Okay children. So today in the 4th class I am going to narrate that story which is given in your book. Okay children, it is there in your book, that is Meena's letter. Yesterday we have learned different types of letters, right? Formal letter, informal letter, business letter, circular letters. Yes, but in your textbook, which letter is there? That is informal letter, not a formal letter. It is a informal letter. Okay, let us see. Okay, what other things are going on in this chapter? Okay, children. Here, so what is the subject here? That is English. Okay. Class 4. Okay. Next. And what is our topic, children? That is lesson number 3. Meena's letter. What is this, Nana? Meena's letter. Meena's letter. This is lesson number 3. Okay. So, Meena is writing a letter to her maternal grandfather. Okay. Now, listen children. So here, what is the topic children? See, this is Meena's letter. Okay. So here, Meena is writing a letter to her maternal grandfather. So, do you know children who is maternal grandfather? Maternal grandfather is mother's father. Mother's father is called as maternal grandfather. And mother's mother is called as maternal grandmother. Okay, so here she is saying about what is happening in her school. A new girl came and how she has interacted in her class and what are the situations and the situations were going in her class, that she wants to say all the situations to her grandfather. Okay children, now how Meena is writing the letter? First she is keeping the date and she is writing dear Dadu. Dadu means grandfather, right? Next, what she has writing, like a new girl came into my class and she has very long plaits and one Manu and Asim were the two boys were staring at that girl and she feel very uncomfortable because they are saying a whisper into their ears that how is she, about her plates she was they were saying in between them and she was feeling uncomfortable. And one of the girl, like Gauri, she was speaking about that girl. She is so looking so proud and stuck up. What do you mean by proud and stuck up, children? Proud and stuck up, the person who is there in the whole world. And the proudish nature, they are called as attitude nature. See, we never judge people on their how they are looking and how they are in any of the situation. We should never judge. So the children, the Meena's classmates, they are talking about that new girl and they are making a faces on her and so this Meena doesn't like. Okay, what happened? Then she went to that new girl and she say hello and that new girl smiled and she was very happy because somebody is there to say hello to me in this new class. Okay, then Meena said that please come to next to me and you just sit with me. Okay, So in the starting of the letter, she was writing that one new girl come and she was sitting in front of the teacher. Means the first bench she was saying, no, that one. Okay. Next, all were staring at her. Yes. So she was feeling very uncomfortable. And next, then both are sitting at one place, so they are talking with each other in a idle time. Idle time means free time. Okay. And then that girl's name is also called as Meena only. It is a short form of Amina, Amina. Okay. So that is the funny thing Meena has found in her. Okay. And these were all the things were saying to the grandfather through a letter. Okay. So she has written all the things in her letter. Okay. Now, after a few days, she received the letter from the grandfather. And what he has written in this letter, let us see. Okay. Dear Meena, he is saying, he is writing in the letter and he is saying that I am so proud of you that you have, you and new girl became friends. Okay. So it is very important to make the new friends also, right? We can learn about them, right? So I am very, when you are showing your love, even that people also showing us love and affection. So it is very important that if you are happy, then you make themselves also happy. Okay. So I hope you and Meena both you are fine, and she was in the letter she was asking like, how are you, Dadi, you and the Nani. Nani means maternal grandmother. Okay, so he is saying that we are cooking a lot of snacks and sweets for you, and we will pack in a box of sweets and all, and then we will give you in a huge box. Okay, whenever we will come to Bengaluru, then we will give it to you. And he is saying he is conveying all the loving things to Amina, and he is hoping that she will be fine. Okay, children. So this is the letter which is written by both they have shared. One Meena is writing to grandfather, and grandfather is also writing to the Meena. Okay, this is called as informal letters. Okay, informal letters. Okay, like what we are using for our relatives and our loved ones. So we are writing as your lovingly. Yes, you have to write. Whenever you are writing to the letter to the teacher and the other person, then you are writing your sincerely, your obediently. But when you are writing for the those who are affectionate to us, those are very near to us, then we are writing yours lovingly. So when Meena is writing with lots of love, your loving granddaughter Meena. And when the grandfather is writing to Meena, what he is writing is your with lots of love, your lovingly Nanu. Nanu means that is maternal grandfather. Okay, so let us see what are the characters played in this. Who are they in this? The letter the Meena is going to say. So here, first one is Meena. Next one is new girl. That girl is also called as Meena only. That is the short form of Amina. Okay. Next. Manu and Asim. Manu and Asim, what they are doing? Manu and Asim, what they are doing? They are whispering with each other and they are staring at long plates of that girl. And that girl is from Mumbai. Her mother was Mumbai. Okay. So recently they have shifted here. Okay. And where the Amina is living? Amina is living in the Bengaluru, because grandfather said that whenever we are coming to Bengaluru, we will give you that huge box of sweets and what you call snacks. Yes. Manu, Asim, okay. And Manu, Asim, grandfather. Grandfather who? Nanu. And Nani? Grandmother. Nanu. Grandmother, Nanu. Both are mother's mother and mother's father. Maternal grandmother, maternal grandfather. Okay. Grandmother, Nani. So we have to mention all these things, okay, in the letter. Okay, children. Now I am going to say what you have to write in the first and last things in the letter. Okay. Okay, then you write I am fine and I hope. This one you are also fine. What is the situation? You can write whatever the things are there. Then in the same place you have to write yours lovingly and your name. Yours lovingly. Okay. Lovingly. Whatever your name. If you are calling as grandfather, then you have to write grandfather. If you are saying a Nanu, then Nanu. That is the things you have to write for the informal letters. Okay, children. I hope you have understand everything. This is the format, children, right? Date, then dear. Whatever your name is there. Okay, next year. Last one, whatever the content you are writing, that content. Then last one is yours lovingly. And your name, whatever you are calling for them. Okay, okay, children, bye bye. I hope you are learned this lesson and you have learned new things also. Okay, children, bye bye.